Good afternoon once again. Thank you for coming to my class. Let's solve this question together. This one is a question of what we call annuities. Basically, we have two types of annuities. Annuity number one is called, or type number one is called ordinary annuity. This one is normally received at the end. Yeah, when you make, when you deposit money in a bank at a paying interest after a given period of time. Yeah, so those annuities are made at the end of each and every year. Then we have the type number two of annuity. It's called the ordinary, it is called the annuity due. The ones that are made at the beginning of each and every year. So, for example, we have this investor who is who deposits 10,000 at the beginning of each and every year. That bank pays interest at the rate of 16% per annum, and we are going to get the compounded value of that deposit after the study of 5 years. So basically, this is the way forward. We're going to apply the formula. So this one, in other words, we are trying to determine the future value of money. On top of the future value of money, we are basically talking of compounding. We are compounding the present value of money to get the future value of that particular money in 10 years to come, 5 years to come, and so on and so forth. So we're going to use the formula amount, the future value of money should be given by annuity into bracket 1 plus r raised to power n minus 1 divided by r, and then 1 plus r. Please, it is worth noting that this factor here is what we call the future value interest factor. Yeah. So this one, the whole of this one, which is in bracket, is what we call the future value interest factor. It is the compounding factor of the given amount of money. So we are going to have our annuity. Annuity is the amount of money that the investor invests at the beginning of each and every year. So we have 10,000 into bracket 1 plus. The rate is 16, so we have 0.16 raised to power. The number of years is 5 minus 1 divided by 0.16. Then we have 1 plus 0.16. So this gives me, we have 10,000, and put that one into bracket. So you're going to have, this is 1.16 power 5 minus 1 divided by 0.16 multiplied by 1.16. This gives me 10,000. So unless there's anybody with a burning question, I think we can move ahead and get the final answer. So we're going to get, use your calculator to get the value of 1.16 raised to power 5. So that gives me 2.1. So if I take away 1, and then I divide by 0.16, I'm going to get 6.877. That way. Then multiply by 1.16. So you can get, I simply get the final answer of multiplying by 1.16 and then by 10,000. So that gives me 79. Should be 79. 774.770. You can